Hi, in this video we will show you how easy it is to select and search diamonds and forward that information to us for order purposes. So we assume that you have logged into our website, you have logged in at the Buy Diamonds link, and you will be shown all the options that you can make to search for your selected diamond. So you have all the shapes that you can select, you can change the currency, and you can also select a range of carats, for example, 1 carat to 1.49 carat, or you can manually type in the exact carat that you are looking for. For example, you are looking for diamonds which are 0.76 to 0.78 carats in weight. That's how you do it manually. Otherwise, you can make a selection here. Obviously, you need to choose the color selection. For example, we're looking for E or F colored diamonds. You can select the clarity. You can select, for example, I'm looking for VS1, VS2 diamonds. You can also specify cut, polish, and symmetry, or you don't have to. It will show all the possibilities. You can also select your lab preferences if you are looking for GIA certified diamonds, HRD, or IGI. We'll just leave it open for now, and it will show all the lab certificates that are associated with all the other options. So we're looking for search diamonds, and it will take a few seconds, and it will list the diamonds that fulfill the criteria. So we have basically four diamonds. One of them happens to be an emerald, but let's say we're interested in round diamonds, specifically in both these diamonds. Then what you would do is you would just click here, and then you have several options how to proceed. If you click on the share button, which I will do now, it will copy all the relative information of these both selected diamonds. What you want to do next is open your email and paste that information into an email that you address to our company, info@diberget.pe. We will verify the diamonds and send you confirmation of your order. Or alternatively, if you want to just download an Excel file with the selected diamonds, you just click on Excel, or you can create a PDF file. You can even use the mail function, which does not always work, but you can try it. You can view the selected diamonds more in detail. Or if you want to start all over again, you can click on Reset Filter, which will clear all fields, and you will have to start all over again. I hope this clarifies. If you have any further questions, please notify us. Thank you. Bye-bye.